There we go. Hello, here's a little bit of behind the scenes. This will be edited out, so I might put this in at the end. I am also going to be making an intro. If you guys want to make me an outro, let me know. Okay, so yeah, I'll see you guys next time. Peace out, bye. Okay. 3, 2, 1. Hey guys, welcome back to something. Today, guys, we are back in Simple Survival. Today, guys, we are going to be finishing up my sheep farm. Today, all I had to do, our episode, I finished the walls and did the windows and did all the extra things that I bet you guys will be bored on. One thing I do want to check before we go get a dog, and I want to check this, get a dog and go finish it up. I'm going to show you guys what I have done our episode. So let's check if this has been, I don't know, I can't tell, but I think it's doing good. So let's go get a dog and see who will be joining us today. It will be Snoopy. Okay. So, yep, you should be Snoopy. You can join us today. There's Cinnabon right there. I don't know what. Okay, so let's go. My chicken farm right here. I don't know what I'm gonna be doing. If I will be adding a chicken farm, but I know I'm gonna be adding a cow farm. As you can see, I have done much, but in the last episode, as you can see, there was this wall was almost complete. So I completed this, I completed that, and I put in some of the windows to make it, just more, light. So what we are going to be doing today is we're going to be doing a sheep face. So I'm going to use this mini block. Well, is Snoopy, I'm going to have to sit you down, Snoopy. Also, I'm going to be moving this back. What should be this? I'm going to be moving this back to here. So right here, I'm going to be moving back to here. Looks like, oh god. I love the shovel, but I hate it at the same time because it forced out big bunches. Well, at the time I was careful with it. So let's go ahead and pile up. So if you guys want to make your own sheep face, you can just watch this video, I guess. I don't really know. So what you need to do, this is kind of gonna be uneven, so I'm just gonna do the first 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8, and we'll go up 1, 2. So if you want to follow along, you can. 1, 2. It's your choice, and then we need to find the middle. Put in the mouth. So let's go in the mouth. One here should be even. 1, 2, 1, 2. Okay, and then over here, if I am correct, this is actually a pretty simple. Believe it's new. Just, and yes, I did get. Oh god, so. I knew that would happen. But let's check yeah, pretty good. Yeah. So this is correct. I believe this is correct. If I will make sure this is correct when we go ahead and look at it. If I get this first try, this would be the first time where I don't have to go back to my sketchbook board and look at it. Like, get out of this game. Oh my, really, Snoopy? Okay, so I believe this will be even. The final block should do it. There we go. We have 2 blocks out. I don't know what these do, but oh, I think actually I think I know what these are for. Yeah, I'm gonna sit you down, and when I come back, I'll try to fix it up. I believe I just need to put this in there. I know, I'm checking. So I don't have to check, cause I forgot, I don't know, I had to look at it, just to make sure. We're 6 minutes in, so now, this is my new recording. Okay. This won't be here, actually, so I'm gonna be cutting this part off. Okay, so here we go. So I go around and I go 2 right here. Oh, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so I did this wrong. Okay. Now I know what to do. I have a plan. So this will be edited out. So this will not be here. Okay, so that's what I did wrong. Okay, so I need to go 2. Just go. I have an idea what I can do. This will look like sheep. I know that's my first time, but maybe the cow face I'm gonna do. So I'm planning on. I'm thinking about doing the cow farm out episode. Tell me comments down below if you guys want me to do. There it is. If you guys want me to record me doing the cow farm, but I might be recording how to do the face. Just a little small little tutorial if you guys want to know. Okay, so wait, let's just get rid of quickly that. Like, I knew this was wrong. Yes, I know. Wait, I don't think I have to break that though. Wait, I think I. There we go. Okay. And I think I need to get rid of. Wait, I think. There we go, and then we should go check. I can just check Chromium. No, I don't think. Okay. I don't think. I'm gonna put that down there. I'm gonna see how long this is. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 blocks high. Okay. So 4, 5, 6, 7. This is how high. So I believe if I just fall down really hard, even my jaw up there. Okay. Yeah, I think this is correct so far. This is correct. I didn't look. Hold on, guys. Hold on. Let me quickly look just to see how high the eyes are, and this will so be okay. So this is also gonna be edited out. So I have two parts I'm gonna be editing out. This part may correct.